All right, how can you link a chart title to a cell within Excel? Well, let me show you. So here in our data, we just have the cumulative sales for May. We have the date and then the sales all added up until the end of the month. So to insert a chart, we simply need to select our data, go up to Insert. We could hit Recommended Charts, and we could choose whichever chart we'd like. In this case, let's just choose an area chart and hit OK. And then this chart will be displayed with all of our data. We can click these circles to drag and resize and click and drag that. Let's say we want to actually have it a little darker, so we can select that format and play around with all the formatting. Now we'll notice that it will automatically generate a title here for us labeled sales. But what we want this title to say is cumulative sales in May, which we have here in cell B1. So we can reference this chart title to always reflect what this cell is showing. So all you need to do is select the title. Up here at the top, type in within this formula bar, as you have this title selected, type equals, and then you can just select the cell you're trying to reference, which is cell B1. And then we can go ahead and hit enter, and we'll notice that that will automatically change. If we change this to just sales in May, then that will automatically update whatever this cell is referencing. And there you have it. That's how you can link a chart title to a specific cell within Excel. Super quick and easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Thank you. And just have such a great rest of your day.